I can't wait to try it. But I don't want to disturb it. This is like picture perfect. Do you know that most store-bought dips are full of inflammatory oils and hidden sugars? This one is different in a way that is full of plant protein, fiber, and healing spices. And it has one secret ingredient that actually fuels your metabolism. Let me show you how to make it. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. We're gonna need about 2 large or maybe like 3 medium sweet potatoes. I peeled them already. When it comes to cups, because you cube them, right, so probably like 3-4 cups. We'll be blending them, so perfection is definitely not important. Transfer to a bowl. Sprinkle with your favorite spice blend. I am using mine, which is a combination of 16 different herbs for extra flavor. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. That's the way I like to roast my sweet potatoes. Coat them like this. I already started my oven to 400. Okay, we need a head of garlic. Cut the top off. Drizzle a little oil if you want. And set it on the side. And set it to roast for 40 minutes with turning once or twice in between. I think it's all done. Yes, nicely browned. This step here adds a little extra flavor to this dip. We're going to set it to cool on the side. Meanwhile, we can start loading our blender with the rest of the ingredients. I'm using canned cannellini beans, drain but not rinse, to preserve a little extra flavor. I buy the kind no salt added. The secret ingredient next, MCT oil, 2 tablespoons. You see, I'm not using extra virgin olive oil in this dip, not because I don't like it. I definitely use it for sweet potatoes. I actually love extra virgin olive oil, but MCT gives this dip a totally different twist. You see, MCT is so full of benefits. It bypasses your digestion. It goes straight to the liver for pure energy. Your brain receives energy, your cells receive energy right away, and it's actually very good for fat burning. So it makes this dip much lighter, and it's good especially if you're in a healing stage. But if you want to learn more about oils that heal versus harm, I have a whole series on it, so check my channel. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll start with juice of half lemon and see if we need more, we'll adjust it. Some spices, salt to taste. What do we have here? I wouldn't give a lot because beans are naturally salty already since they're canned. And of course, the twist, the bigger twist that even an MCT oil is my favorite spice blend. No meal is complete without 16 unique blends of my spices. I actually have a video how to make it, and it is a part of my cookbook. At this point, our potatoes are cooled off enough, so we transfer them right to the same blender. And our garlic. I actually wanted to film how I squeeze it out. So satisfying. It's still a little warm. Ah, hot, hot, hot. Okay, let's start blending. Let's take a look. We may need to add a little more oil and lemon juice. So creamy. Definitely lemon juice. And I would still add like a tablespoon of oil, no more. And that should be it. A dip is perfection. Let me taste it. Very professionally, right? And this is how I love serving it, with one of my healing breads, flourless, gluten-free, yeast-free. Today I have a green buckwheat loaf. I do have a video how to make it. And if you want to check out my viral lentil quinoa buns, they're a part of my cookbook. Back to the dip itself. So I love serving it with toasted bread. So let's get this to work. So good. I'm going to try to look it as professional as I can. Garnish with whatever you like. I happen to have pomegranate seeds, some toasted sunflower seeds, Now I can add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And our bread is ready. Hot, 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 hot. Time to try it. This is actually very, very good. Creamy, a little sweet, a little tangy. Okay, you have to make this. You definitely have to make it. Can't stop eating. If you enjoy meals like this and want more seasonal healing recipes, I have them in my cookbook organized into a 2-week meal plan to help you fight inflammation and reset your digestion. I leave the link below this video. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments if you're going to be making this. By the way, one thing I forgot to mention, MCT oil that is in this dip cannot be heated. So make it, eat it, or eat it cold, but do not reheat, or else you destroy the benefits.